Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how we can deploy our portfolio website using GitHub. Now to do this, I have created a demo portfolio website for you. Okay. Now I will deploy it using GitHub. Okay. So first you should have a GitHub account. If you don't have, create one. And if you have, then log in into it. Now I have my account, I have logged in, and I have also created a repository. In our last video, we studied about how to create a repository in GitHub account. So if you don't know, follow that. Then create your own repository and upload all the files you have created for your portfolio website into the repository. Okay. When you are done with this part, then how can you deploy the portfolio website? You have to go to the settings. So click settings. Here in the left side, you can see pages. If you click pages, this one will appear. Now keep the source as it is. Don't change it. Here in the branch, I want to host from my main branch. So click main. Now here click on save. Once you click on save, just wait for a few seconds. It may take time. Then refresh the page again. See, I have refreshed it and it is showing your site is live at this website. Okay, now here if you click visit site, you can see the site. See the tutorials, hobbies, blogs. So you can see your site has been deployed. Now, first, if you want to know how to create the portfolio website, you can ask in comments. Secondly, if you want to know how to upload all the HTML files into GitHub repository using Git bash or what are those commands, so you can also let me know that. And the third part is the deploying. So we have learned how to deploy, but if you have questions regarding other two parts, you can ask in comment sections. I will make videos accordingly. And I will share the link of this GitHub repository. If you like, you can download the template and modify according to your profile. Okay, happy learning. Bye.